Hi there. Here I will show you how to add subscribe newsletter form in Elementor with Fluent Form and FluentCRM. You are choosing an excellent, powerful, and often free combination for email marketing directly inside WordPress in Elementor. As Elementor Forms is a pro feature, and if you are using free version of Elementor here, I will show how to enable newsletter with alternate options like Fluent Forms. Fluent Forms and FluentCRM for email automation are the ultimate self-hosted Elementor subscription solution. Here is the step-by-step guide to integrating a functional subscribe newsletter form using both Fluent Forms and FluentCRM and placing it perfectly with Elementor. Part 1. Setting up Fluent Form and FluentCRM. Install both plugins from WP repositories named Fluent Form and FluentCRM. I have both the Fluent Forms and FluentCRM plugins installed and activated in my WordPress dashboard. Step 1. Create the form in Fluent Forms. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Fluent Forms. Click Add a new form. Choose the newsletter subscription form template, or start with a blank form. Ensure the form includes at least the email address field. You can customize the submit button text to something like Get Exclusive Updates. Save the form. Note the form's unique shortcode. For example, let's say Fluent Form ID equals 7. Step 2. Configure the FluentCRM integration. The key step next. We tell the form where to send the subscriber data inside your self-hosted CRM. In the Fluent Forms editor for your new form, go to the Settings and Integrations tab. Select Marketing and CRM Integrations. Click the Add New Integration button and choose FluentCRM. Map the data. Email address should be mapped to the email field. Select the target list, for example, New, where you want the new contact added. Select the appropriate tags, for example, Sign Up. Click Create Fluent CRM Feed. This ensures every submission goes directly into your CRM. Part 2. Embedding the form in Elementor. Now that your form is configured and integrated with Fluent CRM, we use Elementor's free features to place it. Step 1. Open the Elementor editor. Navigate to the page or area where you want to embed the form. Click Edit with Elementor. Step 2. Use the Fluent Form widget. Search for the Fluent Forms widget. Drag it onto the page. Select the name of the form you just created from the drop-down menu. This is a cleaner way to embed. Part 3. Styling the embedded form. While Fluent Forms has its own styling controls, you can use Elementor for container-level styling. Styling in Fluent Forms. For the best results, use the Design tab within the Fluent Forms editor to adjust field sizes, colors, and button appearance. Styling in Elementor. Use the Style and Advanced tabs of the shortcode widget container to add padding, background color, or a box shadow around the entire form block. Click the Publish button to publish your powerful, self-hosted Elementor subscription form. Now, let's test the sign-up form. Let's go to this page, and here I enter my email address, and let's see whether it shows in Fluent Forms and FluentCRM. So, when we refresh the entries page, we see the new email here. Here it is. Now, you can go to FluentCRM to send a test email as I am doing here. It's easy once you get your hands on it. See how I am doing it? Just select the steps properly and you are good to go. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to add subscribe newsletter form in Elementor with Fluent Form and FluentCRM. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.